Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to favorite a league in the ESPN app on your phone. This is a simple way to stay updated with your favorite sports leagues and never miss important news, scores, or alerts. First, open the ESPN app on your phone. Next, look toward the top right corner and tap on the settings icon. Next, click on Preferences and Alerts to customize your notifications. After that, click on Add Sports, which will bring up a list of available leagues. Scroll through the list and select the leagues that you want to favorite. Finally, once you have selected your leagues, the app will save your preferences, and you will start receiving alerts and updates about them directly in the app. By following the settings, preferences, and add sports options, you can customize the app exactly how you want. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with friends who also want to stay updated with their favorite leagues. Thanks for watching.